coach need to know what him a do to.
Brother, big woman thing, brother. Coach, you give a man much, brother. You give a man bum buckler much, coach.
Big waist bum buckler man them. See them here.
I would like to apologize to the 2 officers along with the entire JCF body.
Welcome to Bl&me TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Speak up on yourself and lion footman of peace. Say, give thanks to life and thanks strength. Give thanks to another day. Give thanks to the sunshine. See, life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. The 24th of June, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You see me? You know why, so we keep it real on the battlefield. Yeah, you see me, say? Yeah, man, so in this morning, quick, because some exercise I'm going to do in the park. Yeah, you see me, say? Burn off some calories and some, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, I talk about Spice, RT Bass, Jamaica national team. I see Aidonit, I see Jahshii, I speak out. Zim against the coach. And who else? A brother. We had this to the police them and then later on in the station I apologize. You see me? Who else? I hate that? Yeah man, I hate that. So yeah, we want to go check out the artist named Bellafante. My song named Incarceration. Give him some support, please, if you can. See, because we know it feels as a young artist. It's not easy. You see me I say? Yeah.
Just go and hold it out. Freedom is a must, we a survivor. Oi, once you trust the most of them, see them one turn back biter.
Alright, the artist named Bellafante, is it? Bellafante. Check out him music, please, and thanks. Yeah man, holy man, well,
Shotgun to popo, go run off your mouth like bus driver. Oi, oh you chat so much, you must have weird jaws like vagina.
Alright, we could kick off the reason in my viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to stay long, so let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below. See, and like and share the content, please and thanks, because when you watch the content, only share it, man. It now take a second to click the share button there, you know? Just share it and like it. So I say, yeah man, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you click the bell, notification bell, and you know, turn on everything so you don't miss a content when we drop one. Yeah, so we keep it real on the battlefield, unbiased, and you know we talk a diverse channel. We cover everything. We say equality, diversity. See? Yeah. You what I say? So first we talk about Spice and RT Bass. Yeah. Spice and RT Bass have them difference now, them fall out, and we see a lot of bring down and disgraceful things and go up on TikTok. Even me as well, including it, because you know I like put the thing up on the platform. See, but at the end of the day, we're not taking no side. See, so Spice. Oh, nobody not defend Spice. Oh, nobody not defend Spice, but RT Bass have Lady Jabba or something like so. Lady Grabber. Yeah, Lady Grabber already. That thing like a beer grabber share body with the weed. You see Lady Grabber, Miss Blinger, Shelly, everybody are cuss Spice. Oh, nobody not defend Spice. Yeah. The best is on the defense Spice. But yeah. You know, look good on the net still and on TikTok. You know, Spice and RT was very close. Them do them whatever business them used to do before. Them have them one another secret and file, you know, and now them fall out because you know RT Bass is saying he never get the help. Spice promise him if him help her, if he get to her stardom and her glory, she'll return favor and come like that never go on. And ever since them can't gel, you see me? But let me say, be careful, people on the outside, be careful, because if you take side, you might see Spice and RT tomorrow, and you're gonna feel like the one, you're gonna feel like the shameful one, because you know, don't be careful how you pick side. But at the end of the day, as Jamaicans, it don't look good. You see me I say? But oh, nobody in defense Spice. Wow, go ahead. Let me say 4 pounds and murder, you know. Alright, let me know. Zim, big up Spice, big up RT. Next now, talk about this youth, yeah. Zim, we see, and it's a blast. Man, this at the police them, very, you know, illiterate and inconsiderate. You see me I say? Fully dunce. And then a few minutes later, you see him apologize in the police station. You see me?
Bum buckler clown them. Me a pass a while ago. Them a talk to me, I choose not to fucking answer. Them not human beings saying like blood clot me. Me not have to talk to no bad man. On the top and say, no one search, on the blood class search, on the find nothing for me, so the fucking I hold me back for. See me? Big waist bomb buckler man them. See them?
A few moments later.
And I would like to apologize to the two officers along with the entire JCF body.
Youths and people who have to think before you act and talk. We all have a conscience and we know right from wrong. You deal with the police them in that manner, disrespectful manner. Don't care how bad the police them is, they're there to serve and protect. And they carry out them duties. Stop and search. You know, say you're good. Take your search and go on. You know, I escalate and I video them and I point at them face and I call them pussy and all of them things and this them up the most way. You only make yourself become a target and in them 8 book. Them can easily see another day and pin something on you, put gun on you or something. And see that now you have to go to station and go apologize. So youths, boys and girls, think before you act. You see me I say in Jamaica, don't respect the police them. At the end of the day, they're there to serve and protect. I'm not saying you know have some bad police and some corrupt police, and you see me? But at the end of the day, respect the police. If you want to search, take your search and go on. You know you're good, you're clean, take your search and go on. You know if you disrespect them. See? That's just my opinion on it. So me I say, yeah. Alright, now we are talking about the Jamaica national team. We see Aidonia. Jamaica lost 1-0 to Mexico. Tough game, and we lost 1-0. It's not a bad performance, but maybe some tactical error by the coach. Yes, but you know, he's the coach at the end of the day. You see me I say, no football job is easy. Me as a coach can tell you that. Zin, as a certified coach referee, it's not easy. No game is easy, pressurized. You see me I say? So the coach make him decision. Respect the coach. You see, I don't come out and blame the coach. Likewise, Jahshii. You see me?
Coach, you give a man much better. You give a man bomb buckler much, coach. You give a man bomb buckler much, dog. The defense play compact the whole fucking match, brother. Bernard now make no mistake, hombre. The defense play compact whole game. See, high intensity match, brother, and you're gonna make a defensive bomb buckler change. Yes, sir, brother. When if you bring on C fast them and Dixon them, brother. When an offensive change if you make that.
What you mean if we want a new coach? Kaim Dixon out there. Bumbo clad, the man them now should about a 10-minute, the man then give Kaim Dixon charge.
Got you this in brother.
Coach need to know what you do to.
No, let me say, we lost 1-0. Remember say Antonio was score a goal in the 50th minute and it was disallowed by VAR. See? Disallowed by VAR. Rightly so. See? Video assistant referee. That's what VAR stands for. See? Yeah, that's and offside, yeah. Remember say we score, you know, we could have scored a goal and win 1-0 or maybe draw 1-1. Nobody knows, but at the end of the day we concede. We don't want to lose as a Jamaican. See? Proud Jamaican. We don't want to lose a match. So if we come out and I blame the coach so quick, no. I don't support that Aidonit and I don't support that Jahshii. You see, big up on yourself same way as my artist brother. Same way I say, but how about coming out? I'm going to say none of you come out and come call out on a friend, Leon Bailey. Yet still the man put Jamaica partying over Jamaica. I'm not saying he's not allowed to keep his party, and I'm not saying him not play a full hard in the Premier League. If you Aston Villa, he need a break, he need a rest as well. Butler say. But come on, he choose to not to play for his country. Playing for your country, one of the biggest things, a big up ball of them are playing Euro right now for them country. You see me? I represent them country, represent the country. Leon Bailey then a party, I give him money. And when I see that, I say, Jano, disgusted. Me personally disgusted if you see that big baller like Leon Bailey. But yes, still enough for Uno where a party with him and a boots him up. I say, man, having money and them things there. What about playing for your country, representing your country? Rich or not, you know what it is to play for your country? I mean, I say, none of Uno. I mean, I say, well, me able to do it, I mean, I say, but me not see none of Uno. Me not see nobody come out and say, Leon Bailey, you're wrong, Leon Bailey, you're rich already, come play for your country, man. You want first class flight, tell Jamaica, say, you book your own ticket and fly your first class flight. First class. Because first class now cost you maybe over £1,000, yeah. And you, more than that you get a week time. 10 times that a week time. You see what I say? So Aidonit and Jahshii, I don't support that move that want to blame the coach. Yeah, the coach make him error and you're entitled to an opinion. Zin, but more soon come call out Leon Bailey, man. Tell him to come play for him country. Maybe if Leon Bailey was in the team, we would have win. Jamaica would have win. You never know. But Leon Bailey chose not to play for Jamaica. And Jamaica don't need Leon Bailey. Jamaica can do it without Leon Bailey. Trust me, there's enough ball out there on the ground. Enough ball out there. We're hungry for it and now get the highlight, now get recognized by the JFF. We need a position if we can prove themselves like Leon Bailey. See? So for now, big up the ball of them. Big up Deca Dover Reed, big up Mikel, all of the foreign ball of them. When I play for Jamaica, big up on yourself. That's just my take on it. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Do me exercise now. You see me I say? I'm going to get me here sorted out. You see it? Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, I Jah Rastafari. Blessed love.